other.
Actually, you want to avoid doing this. It's supposed to go in the other way.
On like
Because if you do
this.
this, it might get stuck like that.
Probably putting you.
Start through these because these are more these are easier because the plastic is thinner.
Sure, you can borrow this to make it.
But he's got it.
Is it working okay?
It's much too thick. Mine's not going on.
So who knows an idea? If you can't get the bottle cap in,
Yeah,
what
ask
else?
for help. One of us will help you.
Who has an idea? McCoy. Hey, what'd you like about this? What'd you like about this car?
Nothing.
Oh, burn!
I'm really impressed by. And I have. Yeah. No, you're gonna use this. It's not a lot.
Who let it loose?
Okay, here you go. Smile. Are you embarrassed?
Okay, guys. So.
Okay, who wants to help?
Try your car on the carpet and see if it works.
Oh.
No, I don't think it would. Let's see. But I want you guys. So next week we're going to do that. Okay, guys? You're welcome. Hey, there's another one. You get it. Oh, can you take a seat, please? Yeah. Thank you. You guys, oh
Dude,
wow!
you guys are awesome.
You guys are doing such a good job.
Hey, we'll get a chance to practice.
I think